6 months. That's it. That's all you need to completely transform your life. Not 5 years, not when things get easier. 6 months from today, you could look in the mirror and barely recognize the person staring back. Most people never get there. And it's not because they're lazy. It's because they try to change everything at once, burn out in 2 weeks, and convince themselves change is impossible. I know, because that was me. About a year ago, I was stuck. Really stuck. I'd wake up, scroll my phone for an hour, drag myself through the day, come home exhausted, binge Netflix, and repeat. I kept telling myself, tomorrow, I'll get my life together. Tomorrow never came. One night at 2 a.m., staring at the ceiling, it hit me. I wasn't failing because I didn't know what to do. I was failing because I was trying to become a whole new person overnight. New workouts, new diet, waking up at 5 a.m., meditation, journaling, reading. It was too much. Humans don't work like that. Your brain isn't built for massive change. It's built for survival. And survival loves predictability. When you overhaul your whole life at once, your brain fights back. But when you change one tiny thing and stay consistent, your brain relaxes. It starts to trust you. That's when things begin to shift. James Clear talks about this. Get 1% better each day, and you'll be 37 times better by the end of the year. That's the power of compounding habits. Here's what actually worked for me. Only 3 habits. The 10-minute morning, no 5 a.m., just 10 minutes before touching my phone. Make the bed, drink water, stretch. Write 3 things I'm grateful for. Those 10 minutes became my anchor. They proved I could control at least one part of my day, and that tiny win changed the whole tone of my mornings. The 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it right then. Dishes, emails, laundry, just do it. Every avoided task trains your brain to procrastinate. Every completed one trains you to take action. After a few weeks, I stopped putting off the bigger stuff because my brain had learned a new identity. We do things now. The evening shutdown. 1 hour before bed, everything goes off. No scrolling, no screens. I used to think scrolling was relaxing, but it was just numbing me. When I started giving myself quiet time, reading, music, or just being still, I finally felt present again, and I slept better than I had in years. After 6 months, everything changed. My mornings had energy. My days had direction. I wasn't drowning in half-finished tasks. I didn't feel stuck anymore. And the crazy part, I didn't add more habits. I didn't need to. Once you prove to yourself that you can change, every other part of your life slowly starts aligning on its own. You start working out because you finally have the energy. You eat better because you're not overwhelmed. You show up for people because you finally started showing up for yourself. That's the compound effect. One habit doesn't just change your routine, it changes your identity. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one of these. Just one. Try it for 30 days. Don't think about 6 months from now. Think about tomorrow. Can you give yourself 10 phone-free minutes in the morning? Can you finish one 2-minute task you've been avoiding? Can you put your phone away an hour before bed tonight? That's all it takes. 6 months from now, you'll either wish you started today, or you'll be grateful you did. 6 months, one habit. So what's it gonna be?